हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। फ्रेंड, तो आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है एग्जीक्यूशन। एग्जीक्यूशन क्या होती है? द एग्जीक्यूशन फेज इज टिपिकली द लॉन्गेस्ट फेज ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इन टर्म ऑफ ड्यूरेशन. It is the phase within which the deliverables are physically constructed and presented to the customer for acceptance. To ensure that the customer requirements are met, the project manager monitor and control the activities, resources, and expenditure required to build each deliverable throughout the execution phase. A number of management processes are also undertaken to ensure that the project proceeds as planned. Build deliverable. This phase required the physical construction of each deliverable for acceptance by the customer. The actual activities undertaken to construct each deliverable will vary depending on the type of project, that is engineering, building, development, computer infrastructure, or business processes re-engineering projects. इसके बाद है monitor and control. Whilst the project team are physically producing a deliverable, the project manager implements a series of management processes to monitor and control the activities being undertaken. An overview of each management process follows. ये आपको डायग्राम के थ्रू दिया गया है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट जो है वो है टाइम मैनेजमेंट। द टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज द प्रोसेस विद इन विच द टाइम स्पेंड बाय द स्टाफ अंडरटेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट टास्क इज रिकॉर्डेड against the project. As the time is scarce resources on projects, it is important to record the time spent by each member of the team on the timesheet to enable the project manager to control the level of resources allocated to a particular activity. A timesheet register provides a summary of the time currently spent on the project and enable the project plan to be kept fully up to date. Cost management. Cost management is the process by which the costs or expenses incurred in the project are firmly identified, approved, and paid. Expense forms are completed for each set of related project expenses such as labor, equipment, and material costs. Expense forms are approved by the project manager and recorded within an expense register for auditor purposes. Quality management. Quality is defined as the level of conformance of the final deliverable to the customer requirement. Quality management is the process by which the quality of the deliverable is assured and controlled for the project using quality assurance and quality control techniques. Quality reviews are frequently undertaken and the result recorded within a quality register. Change management. Change management is the process by which the changes to the project scope, deliverable, timescale, or resources are firmly defined, evaluated, and approved prior to the implementation. A core aspect of the project manager role to manage change within the project successfully. This is achieved by understanding the business and the steam drivers requiring the change, documenting the benefits and cost of adopting the change, and formulating the structure plan for implementing the change. To formally request a change, it is often necessary to complete a change form. The change request detail may be then be recorded within a change register. इसके बाद जो है वो है रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. A risk management is the process by which the risk to be project, that is the scope, deliverable, time scale, and resources are firmly identified, quantified, and managed during the project. A project risk may be identified at any stage of the project by completing a risk form and recording the relevant risk detail within the risk register. इसके बाद है इशू मैनेजमेंट. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है. इशू मैनेजमेंट इज द मेथड बाय विच इश्यूज currently affecting the ability of the project to produce the required deliverable are firmly managed. After completion of an issue form and logging the detail within the issue register, each issue is evaluated by the project manager and a set of action undertaken to resolve the issue at hand. Procurement management. Procurement management is the process by which the product is sourced from an external supplier. To request the delivery of a product from a supplier, a purchase order must be approved by the project manager and sent to the supplier for confirmation. The status of the purchase is then tracked using a procurement register until the product has been delivered and accepted by the project team. नेक्स्ट जो है वो एक्सेप्टेंस मैनेजमेंट एक्सेप्टेंस मैनेजमेंट इज द प्रोसेस by which the deliverable produced by the project are reviewed and accepted by the customer as meeting his or her specified requirement. To request the acceptance of a deliverable by the customer, an acceptance form is completed. The acceptance form describes the criteria from which the deliverable has been produced and the level of satisfaction of each criterion listed. Communication management. Communication management is the process by which formal communication messages are identified, created, and reviewed and communicated within a project. The most common method of communicating the status of the project is via a project status report. Each communication item released to the project stakeholder is captured within a communicating register. So thank you very much for watching my video.